Okay, so today I'm just going to show you what I use for my bee lure. Got my olive oil as my carrier oil. I've got lemongrass essential oil, and then just a block of beeswax. This is pure beeswax, so this is not bought from somewhere. This is from a hive. So what I'm going to do, if I can open this, don't do what I just did. Okay, so about 400 milliliters of oil. Okay, so let's quickly have a look. And I'm just using an old pot I found in a cupboard that no one's using anymore. So, I mean, it's not harmful, but I still wouldn't recommend using your wife or your mom's brand new non-stick expensive pot she just bought. So, say 400 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, and one of the reasons